Welcome to a new video on Rasoi Saga. Today for this episode we are doing a sugar-free recipe. We are making sugar-free waffles. I'm super excited for this recipe. This will make for the perfect breakfast. It is healthy, it is gluten-free, it is sugar-free. Let us not waste any more time. Let us get started. And if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, press the bright red subscribe button right below the video. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to get updated with every new video that we upload. So for making these sugar-free waffles, first we are preparing our batter, which we'll start with taking 2 eggs in a bowl. So we are taking in 2 eggs at room temperature. To that we are adding in 4 tablespoons of melted butter. This is your regular salted butter. 4 tablespoons would mean approximately 40 ml of melted butter that is going in this batter. Okay, and next we are adding 1/3 cup of soya milk. You can also add almond milk or walnut milk here. That's completely up to you. Any plant-based milk you can add that here. I'm adding sugar-free soy milk in this batter. And next we are taking in 28 grams of stevia powder in the batter. So since we are making a sugar-free recipe, we are not going to add any healthy sweetener like we used to do in our previous recipes. This is stevia powder that I have purchased off Amazon. And I will link the stevia powder in the description below. You guys can go and purchase that if you're trying out this recipe. And yeah, so I'm taking in 28 grams of stevia powder in the batter along with half teaspoon of vanilla essence. Alright. So our liquid ingredients are ready and we are going to whisk it with this balloon whisk here. So we have eggs, butter, soya milk, stevia powder, vanilla essence, all coming together. Okay, so our liquid ingredients are nice and ready. Now we are going to drop in the dry ingredient, which is your almond flour. So here I have taken 90 grams of almond flour. So guys, almond flour is nothing but your regular almonds with the skin pulsated in the mixer. So I have just taken 90 grams of almonds in a mixer and I have grinded them for 10 to 15 seconds and I have made almond flour out of that. So don't get intimidated by the name almond flour. It is just a gluten-free substitute to your regular flour and it really gives a good and crunchy texture to your final waffles. So yeah, use almond flour and here we go. We are dropping this in the batter that we have. Okay, so 90 grams of almond flour and we are taking in a pinch of salt in the batter. And we are taking in half teaspoon of baking powder. So for the dry ingredients, we have taken 90 gram almond flour, a pinch of salt and half teaspoon of baking powder. Okay. Okay, so this is done. So now we are going to mix it well till we see no lumps or flour pockets in our final waffle batter. So this is a very simple recipe. This is a diabetic friendly recipe also because we are using a plant-based sweetener, which is your stevia powder. There have been many debates before as stevia is not good for health and everything, but I have used it at home. I have used it to make cakes, muffins. The muffins recipe you will see on my channel, and I have found the taste to be pretty good. And I love these waffles because they are very fluffy and they make for the perfect breakfast. Okay, so our waffle batter is ready to be cooked. So you guys can see the consistency of this. It is not very thick or it is not even very runny. It is somewhere in the middle. So for making these waffles, I'm going to be using my waffle maker. But if you don't have a waffle maker at home, you can use the waffle molds that you get off Amazon. They're very cheap. There's silicone waffle molds that I'll be linking in the YouTube description. Use that and bake them in the oven. You'll get the same results. For now, I'm going to preheat my waffle maker and cook these delicious sugar-free waffles. Okay, so our waffle maker is preheated for 5 minutes and now we are going to bake these beautiful sugar-free waffles. So we are first brushing it with a little bit of butter, greasing it rather. So I am taking the batter and I am dropping it inside the waffle. Okay, so we let these waffles cook for 5 to 10 minutes till they are nicely done and my breakfast is ready. So if you are using a microwave oven for baking these, then bake them at 180 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes till they come out clean out of the silicone mold. So it smells pretty good. I'm very excited for these waffles, and if you guys are looking for other waffle recipes which are not sugar free and your regular waffles, we have 2 of them on the channel. I'm linking them in the description below. These are 2 ingredient waffles and your regular breakfast waffles, which I have linked them in the YouTube description, so go ahead and check those out as well.
Okay, so waffles are perfectly cooked. They are fluffy and they have risen really well. So I'm gonna take them out and show it to you guys. Okay, so my sugar-free waffles have come out very clean and they are beautiful. They are very fluffy. They are very fluffy also, and it is hot from the waffle maker. And now I'm going to decorate it with a little bit of sliced bananas and slithered almonds. Okay, so the sugar-free waffles are ready to be consumed. I'm absolutely very happy with the texture that I have gotten of the waffles. If you guys want to try this at home, you will get the written recipe in the description below. It's also on my blog, and you can follow this video to make these absolutely yummy, healthy, gluten-free, sugar-free waffles. So until next time guys, this was the recipe for today. If you try it out, send us photos on our Instagram page. Like, share, subscribe and share with a friend looking for a sugar-free recipe video. Till then, bye. See you in the next video.